Now with our cubic graph, we can already see that it has two parts. Whether you are dealing with a sketch that goes down, up and then down again, or a sketch that goes up, down and then up indefinitely, you want to keep in mind that your point of inflection will always split up your concavity. What that means is one side will always be concaved up while the other one is concave down, vice versa. What we mean by that is all you want to look out for is the portion that has like a mini smiling face. That portion will always be concaved up. The part that's always smiling will always be concaved up. The part that's always frowning will always be concaved down. Same goes for this picture. If this is your point of inflection, it splits up concavity. The part that's frowning will always be concaved down, and the part that's like smiling will always be concaved up. It is that simple. So firstly, the reason why all this is very important is because when you think of your point of inflection, whatever the x value is your point of inflection will always assist you in answering questions that ask you where is the graph concaved up, where is the graph concaved down. So with questions that will be asking you for concavity or about concavity, for example, say here this is a 2 and say here this is a 3. If they were asking us where is the graph concaved up or where is the graph concaved down for a picture like this one, firstly the graph is concaved up where your x values are smaller than 2, you see, because the x value of your point of inflection is at 2. So the graph is concaved up where x values are smaller than 2. The graph is concaved down where x is bigger than 2. In this picture, same scenario applies. If they ask you where is the graph concaved up or where is the graph concaved down, all you will need is your point of inflection, the x value of the point of inflection. Keep in mind your point of inflection is a coordinate, but what usually is useful to us is the x value of that point. So here if the x value is a 3, the point that's concaved up, it's the portion where your x values are bigger than 3. The part that is concave down, it is the portion where your x values are smaller than 3. So that's for concavity.